friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video I'm talking about the XRP Ripple coin. Very urgent update at this time occur and the XRP Ripple coin, so please keep watching this video till the end friends. And remember, if you are new in my channel, so please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates. I will update you every hour from a new and latest update of the XRP Ripple coin, so please subscribe now for more news and updates. Anyways, let's start the video and let's talk about the latest update friends. And as you can see here, now the currently at this time price of the XRP Ripple coin as 1.59 USD dollar friends. On the other hand, a very crash occurred once again in the XRP Ripple coin. The last 1 hour change as negative, last 1 day change as positive, last 1 week change is positive. The whole changes occur in the last 1 day friends. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price, the very bad crash occurred this time again, and I hope that this crash is a temporary crash of the XRP Ripple coin, very bad. So now it's at this time the funding of the XRP Ripple coin or again start now. So please a lot of holders ask me this question, that what the next move of the XRP Ripple coin. So I hope we can't see about the future of XRP Ripple coin. Maybe they after 1 hour after this fast continue for a 1 hour, this fast continue for 2 hours for one, and maybe this fast is continue for a 1 day. But there is also we can't see about the future. As I told you that maybe they constant maybe they again take a jump after a 1 hour, maybe they take a high jump after a 5 minute. We can't see about the future of the XRP Ripple coin. But now this time that is very urgent update for all of my XRP Ripple coin holders, that now the bad crash of the XRP Ripple coin are again start now. It's time the funding period of the XRP Ripple coin are again start now. So be alert, be safe from loss. If you are a short-term investor, so wake up in the market. It's time to wake up friends. And if you are a long-term investor, so absolutely you are free. What are you doing and what's your decision at this time about XRP Ripple coin? Anyways, my prediction about the XRP Ripple coin as that as you can see here, the previous time, as you can see here, at this time also fast occur in the XRP Ripple coin, and after this fast they again take a jump in. Same like that, maybe this fast is a continuously fast of the XRP Ripple coin, and after this fast now the future of the XRP Ripple coin to again take a jump friends. That's my prediction. What's your prediction about XRP Ripple coin? Please share in the comment box. And kindly friends, again I'm telling you that please subscribe Abby's Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, see you in next video.